Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if you have been here before, thank you for stopping by so we can chat again. So today what I want to talk about is jeans. I personally think this is the best time to pull out those jeans out of your closet, pull them out of your drawer, pair them with things. Honestly, today what I'm going to do is show you two all jean outfits that you can wear for a plus size shape that just won't fail you. All right, so stay tuned. As you guys know, to me, accessories are the most important part of an outfit simply because it highlights your overall style. It takes an outfit from being just a regular outfit to a full vibe. I purchased this hat from Walmart. I did purchase this a year ago, so I'm not for sure if they still have it available. If they do, of course, I will put that information in the description down below. And these earrings that I have right here, these earrings, I purchased this from CVS about a couple of days ago. This is from their I Am collection. And this ring that I have, I purchased this from CVS. It is in part of their I Am collection. And the bracelet, the 4-tier bracelet that I have on, I purchased this from Walmart. And of course, the reason why I'm wearing this today is because it highlights blue, and that's the color we are talking about today, jean blue, and it gives more that country girl vibe. I also wear press-on nails, and the reason why I wear press-on nails is multiple reasons, but one of the reasons I want to highlight in this video goes to me. Your nails also goes with your outfit. So depending on what outfit you want to wear with press-on nails, you can pop them on, pop them off, pop them on, and you can give a whole look with your outfit under what, maybe under $10. Like, they're not expensive at all, but these, I purchased these from CVS. This is from their it's from the Kiss collection. All of that will be in the description down below. So let's get into this dress. Okay, so today what I want to highlight is this baby doll dress that I did purchase from Boohoo. To me, this dress is a beautiful dress. It does give off that classic, elegant look. I believe a baby doll dress is just something that you can wear over and over and over again. You can transition this into all seasons. You can wear this depending on how you put it together. But with this dress, why I think it is perfect for a plus size shape is because the arm area. If you are a plus size girl and uh, you like to cover up those areas because you don't want that to be like the highlight part of your look, or you feel self-conscious about that, then with this dress, it does put that to rest. With these balloon sleeves, to me, this is so pretty. It brings a unique look to this baby doll dress. And also it has the tightness down here. It flares out, so it gives you that cover up in areas that you probably wanted to cover up, maybe your thighs, maybe your hips, maybe your butt. Maybe you don't want that to be the signature part of your outfit. So with this dress, it does cover all that up. Perfect, beautiful blue. And also, I just think the structure of the dress is A1. Okay, so this is for my daring girls, and this is my last outfit, you guys. But this is for the ones that's like, I'm going to give you jean today. So this is a jean shirt and also jean pants. Now, these are Levi jeans. And I remember back in the day when I was in high school, Levi jeans did not give any give, and it had no stretch, not an ounce of stretch. You had to be small to get into their jeans. And that still is the they still give the same type of thing today, but they put a little bit of stretch. I want to say maybe 1%, 2% stretch, but most of it is jeans. So with these jeans, I will say you have to go a size up from what you are. But what I do like about Levi jeans, they're true jeans, and you can get them 5 years from now, and you will still have a nice, durable pair of jeans. Because I got these years ago, and to this day, they still give the same type of hug. I'm so happy for that. So I will say, if you purchase any Levi jeans, keep in mind maybe go a size up, and if they're just a little bit bigger than what you desire, then you can always take them to the tailor for them to bring them in. So with this top, I purchased this from Ross. Now here's the thing with Ross. It's very similar to like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and all of that, is that you get it when you're there, but please don't expect that to be there over time. They stock up what they have and then it's gone. But why I purchased this, because I feel like this jean shirt was perfect for if I was bloated, I gained weight, lost weight. This jean shirt was going to give me the gift, because on the side is stretch. This look is definitely an all-day look. You can wear this to a dinner date in the daytime. You can also wear it to if you're going to the movies, to the show. This is a perfect outfit. You can dress it up, you can dress it down with your teenies, or you can put heels on with it if you want to make it a full-on threat for them girls. And also what I want to highlight is, keep in mind, when it comes to stretch, you definitely still need stretch. As a plus size girl, we all still need stretch, but we don't want to have too much stretch, because as the day go on, your clothes look baggy, it's dripping in your butt area or sagging in the front. It's just not a good look. So also with a shirt, with your shirt, is no longer give that structure, that silhouette. So I want to close this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I enjoy doing it as always, and it's about to rain outside right now. So if y'all see a difference in the lighting, I'm sorry. I tried to record this before it rained, but it snuck up on me. But anyways, thank you guys so much. I hope you gathered some tips and tricks of what to do to take a jean outfit and push it fashion forward and make it your own unique look. So I upload every Thursday, so please come back next Thursday and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, so you always can stay in touch. Bye.